Let's take a look at the way that you hide or delete a category inside of YNAB. For whatever reason, if you don't want a particular category inside of YNAB, you can easily hide or delete them. To do so, let's head over to the edit section on the top right. Now through this section, you'll be able to see all of the categories that you created prior. In order to hide or delete a particular category, you'll be able to see the three dotted line on the right hand side of the main category. Just tap on this, and here you'll have the option of either hide or delete. So depending upon what you want, you can just tap on hide, and this particular category will be hidden from the plan section. Now in order to delete, you can also repeat the same process, and you will find the option of delete right here. As soon as you unhide or delete a particular category, the targets on the top will also decrease. That's all it takes in hiding or deleting categories inside of YNAB.